Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Seth. So I just wanted to make a video, possibly to help other people out there. I've got a 2003 Honda Civic EX. It's a 5-speed, obviously, but I was doing some testing. I had some issues starting the car. I just couldn't get it to start. I checked the battery with my multimeter. Battery's fine. Tried to jump start it. Still no start. I even replaced the starter. That was not it, surprisingly. I'm actually getting power to the dash. So if you look, there is power to the dash. Now, if I engage the clutch pedal, push it all the way in, because that's what you're supposed to do. Try and start the car, ABS light comes on. Nothing happens. The clutch is all the way in, the car's just not starting. Now, I tried to rack my brain around this, and it took me a while to figure it out, but really, the reason it's doing this, it's really stupid, but the reason the car won't start is because of this stupid piece of plastic. So this might seem insignificant, but this goes to the clutch pedal. This helps push in the clutch position safety switch, I think is what it's called. And unbeknownst to me, this is what's been causing all of my problems. So, if I open the fuse box under here, and I'm going to, so if you look under back here, the clutch lever pushes this, it clutches that thing back there. That's a safety switch. There's like a little button on it that it pushes down when you push down the clutch so you can start the car. So, allow me to demonstrate. So, if I push this back here and I turn the ignition, the car starts fine. As you can see, the car has started fine. I hope this helped you, and for any others having the same issues, because this took me at least 3 hours to figure out, because I checked all of the fuses and relays to figure out what it was. Alright guys, take care.